One of the biggest questions that people ask whenever it comes to making money online is this: does it actually work? Does it actually work? Or do most people fail? And the honest answer is this: yes, a lot of people do fail, but not for the reasons that most people think. In this video, I'm going to explain the real reasons people struggle online and how you can avoid those mistakes. So here's a quick introduction. If you haven't met me before, my name is Christy, and I actually walked away from my teaching career after years of working incredibly long hours in the classroom. My husband just asked me to come home. I started to search for online income ways to create income that would allow me to spend more time with my family because that's why I came home. I was spending 8 to 16 hours a day in the classroom. But like many people, I ran into a lot of confusion at first. I bought courses, I tried different programs, I listened to a lot of opinions, and it took me time to understand what actually works. So here's reason one why people try too many things. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying too many different business models at once. They try drop shipping, or they try crypto trading, or they try affiliate marketing, Amazon selling, digital products, all at the same time. And the problem with this approach is simple. Every one of those businesses requires learning a different skill set. So instead of building momentum, people stay stuck in that learning mode. Successful people online usually choose one system, stay consistent with it. So here's reason number two: people quit too early. Another major reason people fail online is because they quit way too early. We live in a world where people expect instant results. But building any type of business, even online one, takes time to develop. You have to learn the skill, get comfortable in sharing your message, and build the trust with people. And that process doesn't happen overnight. Many people quit right before the momentum would have started building. So here's reason number three: they focus on the wrong things. A lot of beginners think success online comes from things like going viral, having thousands of followers, posting constantly. But those things are not the foundation of a real business. The real foundation is learning a system that creates leverage. For example, content attracts attention, emails build relationship, and automation handles that follow up for you. When people understand this structure, things begin to make sense. Reason number four: they try to do everything alone. Another reason people struggle online is because they try to figure everything out all by themselves. The internet has a lot of information, but information alone doesn't always create clarity, my friend. That's why mentorship and communities can make such a difference. And when you work around people who are learning the same skills, asking the same questions, and the process becomes so much easier. So I want to encourage you. If you're someone who has been reaching ways to make money online, or you've been trying things out before and you felt so frustrated, just know that you're not alone. Almost everyone who builds something online goes through all this learning phase. The key is to stay focused on learning the right skills, staying consistent long enough to see the progress begin. So, if you'd like to learn more about how people are building simple online income systems step by step, I actually created a free community where I share daily training and guidance. It's called Building Digitally with Christy. It's on the school platform. It is an app on your phone, and I have linked the link in the description below. And I would just like to ask you to come join us. And if this video helped you understand the little things more clearly, make sure you like that video, subscribe to my channel, and be sure and share the content because I share each week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed one, my friend.